Hello, Jason Bach here, and welcome to another episode of Free Code Friday, episode 17, which I actually recorded right after 16 because I wanted to keep going. But what I talked about last time, which is I need to add a couple of tests to my editor config generator. We're going to do that now. Hopefully that won't take a lot of stuff to do, because I think it might actually just be one thing. First of all, I got to get rid of this qualification test. Okay, and did all the tests pass? Just to be sure. We're up to 157 tests already. That's awesome. I don't know how anybody can code without tests. I'll probably say that many times, and I will keep saying that over and over and over again until the world understands. These should actually be pretty simple. But you need tests for all this stuff, right? Right. Whoops. No, what are you doing? ED. There you go. Oh, seal class. Oh, static. I keep forgetting that these are test. Why am I a test fixture? I'm a moron. Test. Public. Stack. Void. Create. Var information equals new node information. Oh God. It's all coming back to me. Because I actually need to pass in a node. And you can't just say new syntax node. Don't they have... Yeah. But that's a trivia. That's not a... Identifier? That's a token, not a node. Identifier name. Syntax, yeah. F. I don't care. It just wants something. Yeah, identifier name gives you identifier name syntax. And identifier name syntax. I get inference things and all that other crap, but sometimes I just sit there and go, why can't you just infer that? It'd be so much nicer. Assert that. I better capture the node so I can say same as. Yes. You know me. You know what? Because it probably picked up the name of the argument that would go into the constructor and said that's what you want to do. But oh, I love it. I didn't have to write code. That's so cool. Assert that information.node is same as node. And that's really all we can assert. Well, there's one other thing we can assert. We can do create with null, and in this case what I would want to do is just capture that, get rid of that, assert that null throws type of any. Yeah, fine. No. Here. Boom, that's done. Okay, well that's cool. There's another one. ModelNode, yeah. Okay, that was the other one. So no information tests. Wait a minute. No, I am stupid. I have operators here. Yes, okay. So I want to be able to say if I've got a node, convert it into that. Convert to node information. That's an implicit. Do implicit cast, do explicit. Is that what it's called? Do explicit cast. I know the keyword. I don't know exactly what the thing is I'm trying to do. I know in my head, but I really don't, I guess. I think what I'm saying here is what I want to do is equal to just node. And that's okay, and that's okay. And then an implicit is the other way around. I want to say that, but what I want to do is var new node is equal to, except do it as an identifier, name syntax node is equal to information. Set that into worky. Because I need to say new node. And what don't you like about that? So fix it. I already renamed it. You stupid piece of code. What? I changed it. What's your problem? You know, that fine. Var. And now I should, okay, so wait, come back up here. Information's node is the same as that. Assert that new node is the same as the node that I got. Good. Okay. So I got to test around this. Now I got to do the model. Except I can... Oh, this will be fun. This will be enjoyable. This will be exactly what I wanted. Or not. Oh, God. Because I actually need to... Yeah, that's fine. We can say oh, come on. Oh. Really? Why won't you? No, that's not what I want you to. You suck. Yeah. Just do it. Parse. Come on. There you go. Okay, now you're smart. Now. Public class F. U. So that's my unit. There's my unit. Yay. And now I need a gwitty gwid. And that. Fine. Now I can actually write my tests. Model node information. Based off a compilation. Unit syntax of a node and a model. No. That. Oh, unit. Okay. Alright. Alright. That should be the same as that, except now I need to do name of because reasons. And I also need to assert that the model is the same as model. Cool. Because that takes care of that test. Now I gotta do null node, and I also need to do null model. The null model one is easier. I'm gonna have the unit everywhere. Right? No. See you. Thank you. I'm trying to keep the tricks in my head that I've been learning by watching some people do their coding stuff. Okay, so now I don't need unit. Model node. Come on. Test. The unit. That's syntax. What are you? There. And because I like to qualify. I thought there was a way to do that with editor configs, which is to say that you want to always qualify everything, whether it's a this or the static name. Call me a sadist, but that's what I like. I like what I like. Okay, so for this will be easy because I can do that. This is model node information of combination use and syntax. There. But this one is a little bit more work because I actually have to do this crap just so I can get to the point where I can pass in a null. Null model. Okay. Model node information tests. There. And then I need one more test. And we're going to copy this one. And this is deconstruction, because I added a deconstruct. Deconstruct to, I don't actually want to use the word deconstruct there, so var new node, new model equal to information. Assert that new node is the same as that, and then assert that there. Do all test pass. They all pass. I think that is all of the tests that I need to write. Okay, so there may be a couple of others in here because I don't think I do have to run the style aggregator and the style generator. I do? Well, it just generated from file. I don't have it working against a solution yet. That would be that'd be a hootenanny. Did I actually just say that word? I did, didn't I? Yes. He was actually testing it against a project file and a solution file. That would be fun. I'll get to that at some point, but not tonight. That will not be tonight. Yeah, I think we're good. Yep. Ooh, I'm missing one, aren't I? Find parent. I don't have a test for find parent. Well, let's add one. 16 minutes. We can do this. Famous last words. We can do this. It'll only take a second. Hey, are you in a meeting right now? Can I just talk to you for a minute? 2 hours later. Not like anybody else doesn't know what that's like. Oh no. Colic, sac, void, find, parent. Okay. What else good? Did you see the line there? That was like a bug there. I like that. I like bugs. I should actually go on and being a tester. Just break everybody's crap all the time. Or just try to break it. All right, what did I just... Oh, that's right, this one. Okay. Because I just wanted to... Yeah. Okay, so we'll do this. Var unit is equal to parse compilation unit. I want to get so what I want to do now, var invocation is equal to unit descendant nodes of type invocation expression syntax. This is an enumerable, right? Yes, I got to do that single because I will only find one. Link it. Okay. Now what I want to do is var parent is equal to invocation find parent. I really need this. I know I probably said this before, but I want this to be like this. Offer that up. Okay, I need to find parent, and what I want to find parent is a class declaration syntax. Assert that parent.name identifier name. You piece of why am I so stupid? Text. Oh, that's it. Okay, fine. Identifier text is equal to F. Sequence contains no elements. Oh, no. That's a method declaration syntax. Yeah, there we go. Okay. It was not invoking it, it was declaring it. Okay. Now, we're going to sort of flip it. Find parent. So what I'm going to want to do is find a class here then say find the method. But that just is not going to happen. So parent should be null in this case. It is not. It is not. Okay, what did I screw up? That's actually a little unexpected. What am I doing wrong here? It isn't a T. Okay, I bet I have to do a... Okay, stop over here. I bet I don't have the right check in there. Because parent, we haven't evaluated it yet, you dummy. So it's not null, but it's the compilation now, which there's nowhere to go from there, so it's null, and then it comes to here. And it isn't a T, it isn't what T is supposed to be, and of course T is a method declaration syntax, but you can't do this because it's null. And that would give you null. Okay. Cool. Boom. Pow. And boom goes dynamite. All right, so now I'm going to put this to bed for a while. Okay. We're going to go back a bit. We are going to go to there was a Quixo 3D. If you're really quick there, you might have seen that I had Quixo 3D. That was a project that a friend of mine, Mike Hodnick, and I did years ago, and we did a presentation on it. We basically took this 2D game and made it into a 3D game. I don't even know if it would run anymore. Maybe I should try that sometime, but that's not the point. And so if you've never played Quixo before, do I still have the... do I still have the game here? No, I don't. Okay. I'll run this. Let's see if it actually runs. Control F5. And it does. Amazing. That looks crappy. Okay, so it's actually a board game. There's a board game called Quixo. And you have wooden pieces. And there's 4 blank sides, 1 X, and 1 O. So you got these 25 cubes on the board. And it's kind of like tic-tac-toe in a way. So if I start and I pick this one, you notice that what I'm saying is you can move this either here, here, or here. Okay. Now since it's blank and I move it here, now I own that because it's X. Now O goes. They're in the corner. The only 2 places they can go are here or here. Now if I put it here, what you're actually doing is you're pushing the pieces over. So you notice what's going to happen is the X should move over one, and it does. You're literally sliding the piece over. All the ones that are in yellow are the ones that are eligible. As you know, so you can't pick this O here. You can't pick any pieces in the middle. It's only edge pieces that are either blank or your letter. So in this case, I can pick X, and I actually can do here, and that just pushes the O over. Yeah. And O can decide, you know what? No, I want to get more O's. Okay, and so the object of the game is to get 5 in a row. Just kind of blast through this. And winner, because you got 5 in a row. Okay. And I wrote an engine to be a little bit smarter. I was trying to learn like alpha, beta, min, max pruning, and came up with an algorithm that I found hard to beat. And, it's for what it's worth. It was just trying to learn how to make this a little bit smarter than just playing stupid. It was a fun learning experience. I actually got to learn how to make like weighted, and if you've got pieces over here and they're here, you want to kind of capture that there could be a relationship that's going to tie these two together. So it actually ends up playing fairly well. Though it'd be I've had the idea of saying let's take this and put it into like a arbitrary size board like 21, and so you can say like, what's your dimension? And how many pieces does it take to win in a row? So you could do like 6 and 21. You need 6 in a row on a 21 by 21 board, or 8 on 35 or something like that. And then just throw it into an AI engine or just neural net it, I don't know, and see if it can come up with a way to have a great strategy to beat people, other computers. I don't know, something like that. But let's think slow here. What I want to do is take this, and if I do Alt-Enter here, it's targeting framework 451. That's stinky. That's bad. That's awful. What I want to do is take all of this, and let's just see if all the tests run first. All 37 tests. They don't even run. What the heck? Zen unit. Oh, they might not. Yeah, that's an old version of NUnit. It doesn't have the runner stuff with it either, so they're not going to be picked up. So the point of all this is that I want to take this, make all of these projects the new project type, .NET Standard 2.0, and well, these can't, because that has to be of a specific framework type. You can you can't just run them that way. But update all of this. Put an editor config there. Update all this. Get this so that it can run. What's the solution? Notes. What do I have notes there for? Need logging, damn it. But again, the point is to do all this and get it into a state where I can actually try to put Blazor on top of this and get a whole new UI to it. All right, so let's jump in. How much time do I got left in this episode? Only 2 minutes. We ain't going to be able to do a lot. Let's just do a little. Let's do a thing. I don't have that here. I got to put that here. Add local repository. Choose. Because I do have this in there. Why? I don't want that. I don't want that. Config. Did I ever read me? I don't remember. Let's just stick to it. Quixo. I do have a readme. Didn't need a readme. I don't need an upgrade log anymore. That's gone. Okay, so packages is going to go away too. All this crap is going to go away. It's going to get totally 2017 in 2018. So what I want to do here is, because I've just done a bunch of stuff here, I want to use it as a reference. Okay. So let's edit this. And let's come back over here. And let's do our first one, the framework. Add. No. I say, no. I gotta unload the project. Remember that pain? Edit the thing. Now this should not have had anything of consequence. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be so... Why do you have those frickin' things in there? My God. I'm not going to need any of that either. Okay, so, well, let's just copy all this. Come back over here, do this, do that. Not that. And I actually don't need any packages at all. Boom. Of course, you got to reload it, but now I'll never have to reload again. And look at that. Everything is there. Everything. Everything. Except we're now 3.0, baby. Okay, let's look at some of this code. And this is one of the few projects I ever spent time doing XML comments into it. Good. It's all tabs. Good boy. Oh yeah, there's going to be a lot of this stuff. I can't wait. Supposedly, I've heard that you're going to be able to have editor config settings break your build, not just show up as problems here. Yes. Use var. Thank you. Oh, yeah. See, this is... Did it... Oh, is it good? Convert to input, please. Yes, you're awesome. Thank you. I didn't have to write that myself. You're smart enough to do that for me. That's... Although... Arguably, it should have... I wish there was a way to say, aggressively tell you to do that. But that's okay. That's all right. No, not change signature. Fine. I don't know why it doesn't want to... Get shift. Yeah, this crap is just... I should have documented it because the way I represent the board is basically in a long end, or I'm sorry, a long, and you have to do all this shifting to figure out what the pieces are. I thought I documented that, but apparently I didn't. Yeah, for int. Who would ever... Bad. Just trying to do cursory glances at all this and see... Man, this file has a lot of crap in it. Please, just all in document. Thank you. There, that should get rid of a lot of those. See, that's where it's like, boom, pow. Oh, really? And I can just say, why? I see people do that. They like declare the variable and then they return it. No. Just return the thing. Oh, does that look weird? I think that looks actually a little weird, but that's okay. Is this saying... It's weird because it's... Oh, this is a new class. Oh, okay. What's it on? What? I don't know what you're telling me there. It's too late at night, so I'm not trusting that. I don't know what the heck that is. Oh, because it's okay. I think I know what it's saying. Let's go back up here. Oh, but now you can't do that. Okay. Why? I don't get why. That doesn't tell me why set it to 0. What else? The default is 0. So why would you set it to anything else? Setting it to null. Why would you do that? I'm being a little. Let's just move on. Board formatter. I think it can do it for the other ones because it knows that. God, surrogate selector. Oh man, that's going to be interesting to see if it can actually handle that. But the whole reason I'm doing this is to see just how far I can push this, and that's fine. Come on. I think it would. Yeah, there's a squid. There they're coming. Okay. Good. Excellent. Yeah, I needed a specialized class because of reasons. And I don't want to change too much because it does work. So I don't want to monk with this whatever. I don't want to screw up with this too much. Okay, so let's just build this. Well, fine. I don't care about you guys yet. That. Oh, these things. Yeah, because. This is one thing that's confused me a little bit, is that you can kind of repeat this, I think. Your whole assembly, I think. Yeah, you can. Apparently that one is not. Why not? Like why would you? Assembly company? Well, which ones are there? Assembly name. Assembly version was there. Assembly company? Well, of course. Come on. That wasn't there, was it? No. Well, then. Oh. So that's there. Still failing. Duplicate. This code was generated by a tool. I've always loved that. You know, well, that's the package. I'm not making a package. At least not now. I'm not packaging this up so that it can be thrown out to the world, per se. Yeah, the company is this. It's not the... okay. Yes, fine. I'm just going to delete this because... I don't know. Okay, so that succeeded. Where am I at? Way too far in this one. All right, so I'm going to stop with this one. So it's just going to kind of... This should be trying to reference that. And Smart Engine references the engine. So it's going to go framework, framework tests, engine, engine tests, smart engine tests, and then the controls are a couple of custom WinForms controls, and then this. And then it should be just done. And again, I'm mostly just trying to get this to build. So hopefully next time we'll get this to build, and then we'll make that Blazor step. So thank you for watching. Questions, comments, you know where to put them. Hope to see you next time.